working on this, of course, I forgot to film, but putting these long tube headers on are kind of weird just because of the fact of you have to pull the steering column out like an LS, but it goes on the inside of the steering column. So it's really weird, but it's good that I pull the steering column out because they never bolted this on. Imagine me driving down the road, throwing it into a sick entry, and steering column just completely falls apart. So I'm gonna order a solid one of these. I just think that's kind of fun. But I'll kind of show you the whole entire headers. They look sweet. I mean, it's pretty simple for a VQ swap car. There's not really much to it, but it's simplistic and clean, and I like that because it reminds me of an LS. But as you can see with this terrible eBay intake, the headers are on ISR complete swap kit, ISR long tube headers. I'm not sure if this will even give me any more power. I just didn't want to have to cut up my factory headers to make it work. But as you can see, they are installed. Next big thing for me to do, besides running fuel and then finishing this, is take the spacer off this. It's got a plenum spacer, as you can see right there. And the reason why is I want to be able to shut my hood or come as close as I can without actually running hood risers in the rear. So I need to lower that and then test hood clearance and make sure we're good there. But yeah, VQ swap things.